How to get registration as a tax agent in UAE. Open the website tax.ua.ae. Press the button E-Services. You will get a login form. At the top of the form, there is option for sign up. At the end of the form you will find out another option. At the end of the form has written if you are not registered. Click here. Press the sign. You will get sign up form. Fill that form. Write your email address, name, mobile number and other details, secret question, etc. And from the drop-down box pick the option for what you want to get registration, as an agent, as business registration for tax, as an agency. Pick the correct option. After fulfillment of all options you will get a verification link on your email address. Open your email address and click on verification link. As you click on the verification link will get message as verified. Then go back to main page and log in with your user ID. And carefully read the all options to get registered as an agent in UAE. Overview. You are about to apply for registration as a tax agent in the UAE. You should read the following information before proceeding with the completion of your application for tax agent registration. It will help you understand whether or not you are eligible to register as a tax agent and, if so, the information you will need to provide in order to complete your application. It also provides you with helpful information about how to use the online application system for tax agent registration. Important basics about tax agent registration. A. What is a tax agent? B. A tax agent is a person who is registered with the FTA and who is appointed on another person's behalf to assist and oversee that person's tax affairs with the FTA. What does registration enable a tax agent to do? Completing the tax agent registration process is a legal requirement before you will be able to provide tax-related services as a tax agent in the UAE. Once registered, a tax agent must apply to the FTA to be associated with a registered tax agency, usually an accounting, tax or law firm, before he or she will be able to practice. Registration criteria. You must meet all of the following conditions before you apply for registration as a tax agent. Number 1. You must hold an accredited qualification from a recognized university or institution showing your specialization and practical experience, e.g. a certified bachelor's or master's degree in tax, accounting or law from a recognized educational institution. or a bachelor's degree in any field plus a tax certification. For instance, tax certification could be a qualification certificate, e.g. Chartered Tax Advisor issued by reputable professional accounting or tax institutions, such as the Chartered Institute of Taxation, from an internationally recognized tax institution. Number 2. You must have at least 3 years relevant recent experience as a tax professional, a qualified lawyer, or an accountant. Number 3. You must have the ability to communicate orally and in writing in both Arabic and English. Number 4. You must have passed any tests to meet qualification standards as specified by the FTA. Number 5. You must be able to prove good conduct and that you have never been convicted of a crime or misdemeanor prejudicial to honor or honesty, notwithstanding that you may have been rehabilitated. Number 6. You must be medically fit to perform your duties as a tax agent. And number 7. You must hold professional indemnity insurance where required. Important information about using the online tax agent application form. Number 8. Information required to complete the registration application. During the application process, you will be asked for various documents. It is recommended that you have the following documents to hand prior to starting your application: relevant degrees from educational institutions and/or internationally known tax institutes, proof of your tax specialization and practical tax experience, e.g. employment contract with a professional firm, language proficiency documents, police clearance certificate/good conduct certificate, medical fitness certification/documentation, and professional indemnity insurance if required. You are required to upload copies of documents in some cases. Accepted file types are PDF, JPG, PNG and JPEG. The individual file size limit is 2 megabytes. Number B. How long will the application process take? The online application form should take approximately 15-20 minutes to complete. Number C. Save as you go. It is recommended that you save your form as you work through it by clicking the Save and Next button at the bottom of the form. Your entries will not be saved automatically. For data security purposes, the online registration system will automatically log you out after a period of 10 minutes of inactivity. Number D. Taking care. Please provide as much accurate information as you can. Failure to do so could lead to delays in processing your application and ultimately could lead to your application being rejected. All sections marked with an asterisk must be completed, otherwise you will not be able to submit the form. What happens next? Following its submission, you will obtain the result of your application within 15 business days from the date on which the application form is received by the FTA. In some cases we may have to contact you where we have questions about your application or if we require additional information. Your application will not progress until you have provided the necessary information and it will be shown as pending on your services portal. In all cases, if we do not believe that you have met the criteria necessary for tax agent registration, your application will be rejected. You are required to pay the fee for registration as a tax agent. Once your application is approved, you will receive details about the fee amount and how to pay this. Once you have settled the registration fee, you will be provided with a tax agent registration certificate which shows your tax agent approval number (TAN). If you have a question about your application, you can submit the service request on the e-services portal. Click here to confirm that you have read the Getting Started guide. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share this video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.